things look so good. What's up, guys? I guess welcome back, maybe. I am currently working on 2 videos at once. I'm reassembling the 14 bolt, but I'm waiting on parts, which I'm going to go get in the morning. So I'm going to start putting some of these bead locks together, which is exciting. This will be the next video. I think the reassembly of the 14 bolts is going to be way too long to put them both into one. So this is going to be a separate video. I'm going to start filming it now, and then I'm going to finish it in the morning and then go back to reassembling the 14 bolt. I got to go get the rear ABS sensors. So yeah, let's get these bead locks mounted up and see what they look like. I really want to get 2 of these bead locks mounted up, because once I get this axle put back together tomorrow, I would like to be able to put the wheels and everything on it so it's mobile and off of the stand, because once that stuff's on, she's ready to go in the Jeep. For those that are new here, I'm not throwing gears yet. These axles have 410s in them. I'm going to run them for just right now until I get it up on the road and driving again. And then I'm going to tackle gears after that, because I want to do it myself. I want to learn. I got to get some more tools. But for now, I'm just going to get them in the Jeep and driving again. And I'll have the gears and lockers done before I go wheeling for the first time. But yeah, I'm going to jump on to getting these, try to get 2 of these bead locks mounted up. These are some big, sorry YouTube. These are some big tires. And I got one pushed in already. I'm having trouble getting the bead to go around the lip on the bead lock. So I'm going to try another one quick, see how it goes. It might just be because they're cold from sitting on the concrete in here, and my shop's not heated all the time. So yeah, I'm going to set the camera up here on the tripod and put another one of these together and see if it goes any better. Let's get to it. Man, this is a beautiful sight. Wasn't a beautiful chunk of money, but it's a beautiful sight. Woo! Man, these things are sweet. They're gonna look so good. The new Rhinos. Hopefully stays there. I don't need my first ding in the garage. Keep that for the first time we take it out wheeling. So this is what I want on the inside of the tire. I want to get her lubed up. I think Dawn's safe for these wheels. I don't know. That ought to do. Some on the wheel. Then we're gonna heave this thing in. Oh, there goes my mouth again. I gotta get this valve stem out and get the TPMS sensor put on first. Yes, I'm putting TPMS sensors in it. The new valve stem is in and the new TPMS sensor. So now we can get back to our normal production. Well. This is the best part. This ain't working out too well. My advice is do this when it's really hot outside. Not when it's 10 degrees and you just got your garage warmed up. There she went finally. Now I need to find another bucket to put this one on. These are ridiculous, but they're gonna look cool. What's the trick to this, YouTube? So the problem I'm having with both of these is that once one side's in, this side's way not over the lip. And then when I push on this side, it brings this side off. So maybe I just need to find somebody to give me a hand so I can have somebody pushing on each side, but I'm gonna keep trying. I like to do everything by myself, so I'm gonna keep trying, see if I can get them and go from there. But if I can get these two done, I'll be happy. I went ahead and bought the beadlock spacer rings because these Coopers have a really thick bead, and I don't want my beadlock bolts to be, you know, offset or angled so that there's more stress on the bolts. So yeah, I'm gonna keep messing with this, try to get these on, and if I get them on, I'll check back in. So I just kept working it with this rubber mallet, and she's on. So it's exciting. It's a lot of work though. So I'm gonna lay the spacers in, get some bolts out, and we're gonna get one of these mounted up. It's at least exciting for me. I'm all sweaty. It's about 75 out here from the fire and beating out with a rubber mallet for about half an hour. But yeah, let's get this thing bolted up. Get a pack of these spacers laid in here. These things are a stupid amount of money. What side goes up? One side's textured and one side's not. I don't know, we'll put the texture side up. How does that sound? Sounds good to me. Now this beauty. Oh man, that's a beautiful sight. Hopefully these bolts are long enough. Guess we'll find out. You don't have a office chair in your garage? Buy one. I'm gonna put these in the 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 8:30 or something like that. Just to get it started, get everything lined up. It's kind of nice. They give you 2 extra of the nutsert. There's a lot of people that say, "Oh, never run a beadlock with a nutsert," but I mean, it's hard to beat something that's proven. You know how nice it is whenever one does strip, and all you gotta do is pound it out, put another nutsert in. I mean, how many times can you strip a bolt in one that's just drilled and tapped, and you can only drill the hole so big before you have to weld it back shut and re-drill it and hope it lines up. There's a reason that everybody runs Racelines that does some serious stuff, like King of the Hammers and Ultra 4 cars. And they're the best out there, I think. But it's also an opinion. Everything feels good, everything looks good. I'm gonna do exactly what they say not to do. We're just gonna start working this thing around. Much just guessing at this point, looking for ones that look kind of loose. Right side though, I think one spacer is going to be enough. The gap's pretty much gone, the ring's still sitting flat. thought that process was long, this is the long process. So I've checked before, that 1/4 inch impact, if I just let her eat the whole way, it gets them to like 18 to 20-ish foot-pounds. Because I had beadlocks before, so I have this set to 22 right now, which is what they recommend and what I want to run. So you can see, good to go. All right, this one's ready for some air. I'm gonna actually tip this up so I can see the beads squirt a little Dawn on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. I don't like standing in front of these bolts on the first time. I don't want to die yet. I want to get these tons done. There she went. There's only 6 pounds in it so far. Just got to put 25 in them for now. That's all you're supposed to run according to Raceline website. Moment of truth. These things look so good. Oh yeah. I'm stoked with that. Yeah, went pretty good actually. So there is no point in me filming all 5 of these. That's absurd. So I filmed one, it's done. I'm gonna get the rest of these done, and soon we'll be able to enjoy them. I found a trick. I couldn't get the bead to go on around the lip, so I'm taking these big flat washers and putting the bolt in to help hold it. And I'll show you what that looks like when I get this one ready. All right, so if you ever have a newer tire and you can't get the bead down over the outside lip, I couldn't get it last night. I fought it for probably 2 hours by myself. So I went to the internet, and which I should have just done to start with. And I found out that people use big washers in the bolts to help hold it down. So that's what I did. So I'm going to show you how I do that. And it makes these things a breeze. I don't even try to, I just go straight to that washers because it works so much better. So I'm going to get that set up and show you what it looks like. So yeah, you can get one side on. Okay, so there's one side. And then the other side's such a stretch that once you hit this side with a rubber mallet, this side pops up. Or you push it over here and this side pops up. So you get one side started. And then just take some big washers and one of your bolts. My garage sounds like it's going to blow away. It's windy. And just get one started wherever you have it down over at. And then come about, I don't know, 1/4 of the way around, do it again. And then take your rubber mallet and start working it. I'll go ahead and put a 3rd one in right there. So now I just have this little area to work. This is so much more convenient when you only have one person. Might have to put a 4th one in this one. She's tight. So now it's on the whole way, which is so nice because you don't have to have any help from anybody. That's how I like to roll. Now we're just gonna back these off. And it's stressed on there enough that it stays. How convenient is that? Man, my garage might actually blow away out there. Now we can drop our ring spacers in. Make sure your bolts are nice and centered in your ring. Looks pretty good. And yeah, let me just drop the rest of the bolts in. And as easy as that, you're ready for the torque wrench. So I'm gonna get these torque quick. This is the last one. We're moving right along. I'm excited. All right, so all 5 beadlocks are done, which they look so good. So I'm going to end this video and continue working on the 14 bolt, which, like I said earlier, I'm doing at the same time. So I got the ABS sensors I need, so that video will be completed too. But I'm gonna end this one here and get to cracking on that. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with a friend. Turn on your notifications if you want to be notified when I upload. And soon enough, we'll be driving this Jeep on the trails. We'll catch you on the next one.